What a year 2020 has been for everyone, and we are no exception here at Feller Roofing. It has been quite the year, and we've had our challenges, we've had a lot of changes, we've honestly had quite a few sleepless nights, but somehow we got through it. We think that everybody will always think of 2020 as a dumpster fire, or I affectionately like to call it a shit show, but we made it through by the grace of God, and we did a lot of good along the way. It's hard to believe it, but in 3 different states, we've done 613 full replacements on roofs, and we've done 634 repairs. We've supported a lot of nonprofits, including the Girl Scouts, Rotary, Pink Warrior Advocates, the Shriners, Habitat for Humanity, and done relief efforts for Hurricane Laura and Delta, and also our local food bank. We somehow got away with poking fun at COVID, and then we realized how serious it was, and we scrambled to overcome it. And like a lot of other companies out there, we had to adapt our business to be more digital, and we also had a ton of Zoom meetings. In 2020, we continued to work to promote our Roofer Chick branding. We made new logos, and we rewrapped a lot of our trucks. We came to the rescue in a few local hailstorms that hit San Antonio and Canyon Lake and parts of New Braunfels. We won Best Roofer with the New Braunfels Herald Zeitung for the 5th year in a row. We had to come to the rescue of our customers in Iowa after the derecho, and also we went over to Louisiana after they were hit by Hurricane Laura and then Hurricane Delta. We did something pretty cutting edge in the roofing industry in 2020 and had in Central Texas the first all-female roofing crew. For the 2nd year in a row, we are going to qualify for GAF's Triple Excellence Award. We didn't get to do as many company outings as we usually do, but we did have the opportunity to go to a hockey game in San Antonio, and we went to iFly. A few of us got to go up to Iowa and go sledding. We were the only adults on the hill. And we also had a going away party for one of our employees. Like every year, we had a scavenger hunt amongst our employees that actually get on the rooftops, and we found some pretty interesting things up there. We added a lot of new faces to Feller Roofing this year, and we've almost doubled our staff. We're pretty grateful that 2020 is finally in the rearview mirror, and we have chosen to dub 2021 as the year of the Roofer Chicks. We're looking forward to continuing to serve New Braunfels and surrounding areas, and also Marshalltown, Iowa, and that area, and we're also hoping to find a couple more Roofer Chicks. I want to thank you guys for all your support this year. We could not do this without our customers, and for all the love you've sent our direction. And 2020, goodbye.